Welcome to IndianShareTips.com. In our league to spread financial wisdom, we are coming out with one stock which is going to double from the present levels, and this is going to happen for sure short because of the recent developments which have undertaken in the stock. The stock which is likely to get benefited is by the news which has been announced by the Prime Minister that National Hydrogen Mission for green hydrogen production and export is going to be set up. And this news is going to benefit none other than Mukesh Bhai stock, which is our big brother stock, that is Reliance. We are optimistic on the Reliance Industries and we give a target of 4000 plus levels in times to come. Why we are so bullish on this stock? Because already stock has done mega correction and has been in a 8 to 10 years of consolidation period commencing from 2008 to 2017, and thereafter it has gone in a next leg of up move wave. So if correction has been for around 9 years, we can reasonably say that the uptrend will also continue at least for next 9 years or so. And we are definitely optimistic that Reliance Industries will be able to double up to its price from the present levels within next 3 to 5 years. Someone can say, oh, this is a lot of time for doubling of a stock. Well, remember that smaller price stocks can double quickly, but in that you can lose your complete capital also. But the same does not happen in mega stocks like Reliance. They move like a giant elephant, slow and steady. In any corrections, you will feel the heat very limited, but when the correction is over, these are the stocks which moves first and gives you the good returns. Case in point is during the corona time, the stock fell to around 775 plus level, and that time also we had recommended to buy this stock because Reliance promoter, that is Mukesh Bhai, was buying this stock in the name of not only himself but in the name of his children also. And from 775 it has already more than doubled, or we can say 2.5 times, and now it will double up again to 4000 plus levels. However, remember that you need to give time to this stock, because whenever any such doubt arises in your mind that how much time we have to give this stock, then remember, go and look up the rate of interest and in how much time frame the FD is going to double for you. So with closed eyes, you can invest in this stock for your generation, as this stock is going to be in uptrend for next 7 to 8 years minimum. We have full faith in the capabilities of Mukesh Ambani, and Reliance is going to be the leader in Indian stock market without any ambiguity. No foreign institutional investor can ignore Reliance as a stock. It has to be a part of their portfolio. So all these things make it a good investment bet with limited downside in it. If you like our short video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and do remember to check out our best bank nifty option tips or intraday stock tips or commodity tips, and get benefited with our expertise, and you will be making money on a daily basis. However, If you have sufficient capital, you can also go for our delivery tips, where we provide the calls for short term, medium term, and long term. If you have capital less than 10,000 or 10,000, then consider going in for Bank Nifty option, which gives you remarkable profit every day. Make use of our expertise, and we are a SEBI registered investment advice, and whatever we provide information is given after a solid research. Thank you.